More news coming in this afternoon. The Railway Ministry has fact-checked a TMC MP on Vande Bharat. Centre says TMC MP spreading fake news on trains. Vande Bharat trains longer, now cost is down. TMC MP claimed Vande Bharat cost was up by 50%. The MP had claimed at Modi government, contractors have a nexus. Milan Sharma tracking railways for us. Joining us live at this point in time. The Railways has been quick to fact-check the TMC MP. Take us to the details of what really happened here, Milan.
Saket Gokhale is now saying that, the cost of the Vande Bharat sleeper has increased by about 50%. And who is this cost essentially benefiting is the question that is being asked here. But the Railway Ministry has actually issued a clarification saying that the sleeper project is costing more because the number of coaches have also been increased by the Railway Ministry from 16 to 24 now. And they are trying to make longer trains to accommodate more number of people. As you know that the Vande Bharat is an ambitious project. The Prime Minister is going to launch, a Namo Bharat rail metro today also. And with Vande Bharat now moving to sleeper class so that, more and more people will be able to afford, travel in trains. The coaches have increased. And the logic that has been given that in 200 trains, if there were 16 coaches, now in about 133 trains, there will be 24 coaches. So that's a, doubling of coach numbers that is being done. Initially, there were a lot of brickbats that the railways had to face from the public because it claimed that the railways had reduced the number of coaches to increase those AC and 2AC 3-tier coaches to make more money. And, these are the claims that the railways had to answer in the past as well. So Saket Gokhale's claim they're being completely rejected by the railways, saying that we are adding more coaches, and which is why there is a cost, escalation due to that reason and no other reason alone. And of course, the railway says that they are making a record number of AC coaches also, 12,000 at that, looking at a very high demand for the railway tickets that exist there, Sneha.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Milan, for getting us up to speed with those details as far as the railways fact-checking Saket Gokhale TMC MP is concerned here.